app No Video and tap on New. Step 2, tap on red plus icon and choose text. Step 3, double tap on right window and type your text. Step 4, use the font feature according to your preference. Step 5, subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Step 6, small normal font with good space. Step 7, swipe up and tap on the animation menu and choose one. Step 8, go to the asset source and tap on fire. Step 9, increase intensity and decrease blending. In case you want to change the color, tap on color wheel. You may also control effects from my previous video. Step 10, erase. All set to export. Tap green icon. We will be back with more interesting videos. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe, bye bye!